Hello there. In this video, I will show you the support resources available in the Intratec Data Excel Add-In. You can find the support resources in the last part of the ribbon. Release Notes directly takes you to Intratec Release Notes page. It contains information about updates and new releases regarding Intratec's products and analyses. About Add-In opens a new sheet called Intra Add-In. It shows the version you are currently using and the latest available version. Also, you can easily download the newest version by clicking Intratec website and follow the installation instructions from the first video. To access the PDF user guide, click on User Guide. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out with your doubts, questions, or suggestions.